Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken and rice with cream of mushroom soup. This comforting dish is incredibly simple and uses common pantry items. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1½ pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, and 1½ cups of uncooked long-grain white rice. Also, have 1¾ cups of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of chopped onion, and a dash of black pepper on hand. It's a perfect meal for any weeknight.
There are several ways to monetize your Telegram channel. The most common is offering recurring subscription plans for exclusive content. You can set your monthly fee, with some platforms offering plans starting around $3. Beyond subscriptions, consider selling your own digital products, such as ebooks or online courses, directly to your audience. For channels with over 1,000 subscribers, official Telegram advertising can provide a 50% revenue share, with CPM rates varying from $2 to $12 depending on your niche. To attract subscribers, promote your paid channel on all your existing social media platforms. Share compelling teaser content from your exclusive channel on public channels to entice new members. Collaborating with other Telegram creators for cross-promotion can also significantly expand your reach. Additionally, running engaging contests and giveaways can generate excitement and encourage new users to join your exclusive community, helping you grow your subscriber base effectively. Effective community management is crucial for long-term success. Consistently provide high-quality content to keep your subscribers engaged and satisfied. Use engagement bots to run polls, quizzes, and gather valuable feedback from your community. Regularly analyze this feedback to adapt and improve your content and offerings. Finally, reinvest a portion of your earnings back into promoting your channel, which can help offset natural subscriber attrition and foster continued growth, potentially earning hundreds or thousands of dollars monthly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.